guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another lip swatches for you guys. So without further ado, let's get started.
I'll take any excuse,
Just when I let my guard down, it's like you ain't even around. I just take a cool sip and lose myself into the sound. Just when I let my guard down, it's like they ain't even around. Just let me take a cool sip so I can finally let my...
Okay, so the lipstick that I'm going to swatch for you guys is this Kylie Jenner Lip Kit. It is my all-time favorite lip kit and liquid lipstick, and I always get her matte finish because it's just perfect for me, and I love using her product. And yeah, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to show you guys what each product looks like on my skin. Okay, so the first one I'm going to try is this shade called Harmony. It's right over here. Okay, so now let's move on to the next one, which is called Rosy. And the next one is one of her limited edition, which is called 20. I like the packaging of her limited edition. It's white and pink, and I think it's just super cute. I love it. It's really nice. I can say that this is a really Kylie Jenner lip shade. She always wears this kind of lip shade everywhere she goes. So I actually like this shade. So now let's move on to this shade called Leo. So this is one of the shades that I am not really comfortable with, but I decided, hey, you know what? Maybe I can go ahead and give it a try. So let's see. Oh my goodness, it's too dark. It's a true brown color. Let's see. How will I look? I am so scared right now, you guys. Oh gosh. Kylie looks so good in this true brown shade. Let me see if it would do the same justice for my lips. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. I am so scared. It is a very messy shade to work with. I don't know, you guys. What do you think? Does it work with me? Does it not work with me? Oh gosh. Whew. This is what happens when you go out of your comfort zone. So this is what it looks like, you guys. It's a very true brown color. I don't know. Does it work with me? Does it not work with me? Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of this shade. Should I keep using this or nah, just give it away? So, alright, let's move on to the final shade. So last one we have is Mary Jo K. So let's go ahead. Alright, so far so good. Alright guys, so that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!